So if you follow my channel for any time, you know that I at one point created my own clone. Well, the clone is sort of back. Over the past couple of years, I've been playing around with creating my own clone. I think it's fun. I love the idea of it, but I have a bad feeling that it's not going to go well because I have made a clone. Hi, I'm immj, the digital AI avatar for Michael Joseph. Used it on YouTube for a while, stopped using it, went back to me. Then went back to the clone for a while. Hi, everybody. And then got rid of it. And this last time, I completely even sent all the videos that I've done with the clone to private. And now, if you've noticed my feed over the past week, I'm bringing back some of those videos back into the public view of immj. That's his name, immj. Hi, I'm immj, and I'm kind of seeing what you guys think about all this. Now, one of the reasons, probably the main reason that I stopped making the clone this last time that I made them is that YouTube has a thing about their community standards. And I want to read some words here that I kind of had to reevaluate at some point. Now, theirs are what they consider not to be good AI stuff is unoriginal or repetitive content, mass-produced, and doesn't add significant original value or commentary. And that's where I decided to bring immj back because he does. Now, one of the things that I do with him is that I create a lot of his content, what he says, directly from my book, The Creative Virus. And that's where I think all of this is going to kind of fit into where they're allowing it and where I'm introducing it to all of this is that it is my words created by me. This is the thing that I want to ask you guys. Now that I'm bringing it back once a week, I'm still going to be doing my live videos like this. What do you think of an AI clone giving a message each week, a short one? What's your thoughts on that? Is that something that you would sit through to hear my words being spoken to you by my clone? That's the question. A lot of those clone recordings are my own voice, so it's like this, I record it, and then the clone syncs to my own vocal recording. Sometimes it is me putting typed words into the thing and it generates my voice out. So I kind of question what you guys want to see with that. You know, do you like the idea of the return of immj? Do you want to see it anywhere? Do you care at all about it? I do. I love it because this process of making videos isn't fun for me. It is something that I'm trying to develop because as the future goes, I kind of want something where I can work from home and do this kind of stuff. I'm creative. I love to be creative like this. But if I could be creative and not be in front of a camera, again, if you know me, I'm not the biggest people person. I would love to have that. So that's where I'm at with this. What is your thoughts on the return of the immj? Please make comments below. Number 2, is there anything from the book that you would like to see me kind of cover, whether it be through immj or actually me? And what kind of things besides the book do you think you'd like to see if you like immj? If you don't like them, fine. But if you like them, what kind of things besides the book would you like to see immj's perspective on it? And again, when I create him and do these things, I create him having his own perspective. The book I put out, The Creative Virus, the first audio book version of it I did a clone of my voice as immj, and immj read it as a separate persona. So he put in all these little AI jokes that had to do with AI and different things like that. So that's when you see a video by immj, it's not just my words, but I'm trying to create him into his own personality, but it is stuff I write and be creative with. You know, kind of think of it like a puppeteer. You know, you don't see the puppeteer, but you see the puppet, and the puppeteer's doing the voice, the puppeteer's doing the actions, and that's kind of what this is to me, that immj is kind of that sort of character. But let me know if there's any of that you like, any stuff you'd like to see. I encourage you highly. Comment below and let me know what you think of this stuff because I really like it and I would really like to build a channel around where I use AI stuff more like this. Even in my shorts each week, if you look at my YouTube shorts and all that, once a week I do an AI video, an AI short that has something to do with some sort of creation, that sort of thing. I love doing stuff like that and I would like to do more. So let me know what you think, please. Until next time, take care and God bless.